Hi viewers, this is Vidushi reporting from the live fields of Mr. and Mrs. Garg's house. So let's see what's happening.
What are you doing, Sharon? Stop it! Why are you fighting? Mama, he was hitting me.
Okay, now move out. Move out of the room and get back to your studies. Go. Come on.
How hard is it to manage such tiny tots? Do you think that being strict with your children proves to be beneficial?
It's really hard to deal with such small children. Yeah, it is sometimes beneficial to them. For them, as the small children don't have that mental level as to understand the pros and cons of their acts. Sometimes they are very headstrong and hence have to be tackled strictly to prevent any wrong consequences that may follow. So it is good to be strict for sometimes.
Here we come to know that though parents are strict, but in the darkness of their strictness lies a spark of diamond all love. I am Vidushi from Uttam Times. Now, over to you, Shivika.
Hi everyone, this is Shivika, throwing light on the most difficult situations of getting permission from the parents in India.
Mom, can I go for the movie tonight? No, beta. Not at all. Please, please, please. Then do whatever you want.
Will you allow your children to do anything without your permission?
See, that depends on what my child is asking for. Whether he is asking for a minor thing or is it concerning their health or education, then I would really want that they should take my consent.
Oh, this is the most difficult time of the child. The statement, do whatever you want, just restricts us to do nothing. Phew. Now let's get to Brinda and hear what she has in store for us.
Hey guys, this is Brinda enjoying the weather outside the Gupta residence. So let's get in and disturb them.
Mama, I want a PlayStation.
PlayStation? For what? Have you scored good in your
I already get PlayStation. I also want to have an iPad. This is cheating, Mama.
You people get your demands will be fulfilled only when you score good in your exams. Do you understand this? Even you are going to top this time in your class, then only you get a PlayStation. And you get iPad only when you score a scholar badge.
This is cheating.
Else nothing. Just in your dreams. Just in your dreams.
Will you prefer your children to earn at this age?
No, not at all. Because I don't think they are mature and sensible enough to understand the value of money. And moreover, if they become financially independent, then it becomes very difficult for us to bound them with the family value system. Like in most of the Western countries, when they start earning at a very young age, they become so independent that families, society norms, nothing value, they don't value these things. And slowly and gradually the entire cultural system collapses. So I don't think that I'll make her independent, financially independent at this very tender age.
Do you think you're independent enough to lead your life?
Yes, I think I'm independent enough to lead my life, but only to some extent, not wholly. Since a child, I have been completely dependent for clothing, food, education and everything else on my parents. I have completely been dependent for each and everything, day-to-day life and every activity on my parents. Yeah, even for studying till class 5th, my parents were responsible, but I think it's too early to be independent.
I must say, it was a loving and a cheerful family. But hey, I'm getting some feeds straight from the family. So come and have a look.
You kiss me. No, give me the give me. Yay!
In the end, after exploring the Indian families, we conclude that we Indians follow a simple mantra. That is,
A family that sits together, eats together, stays together. This is Brinda,
Shivika,
And Vidushi
signing off from Uttam Times.